Ooh, exciting. I bought a drill. Look at this baby. That's a Rotary Hammer. It has all the settings. Full size. In the Milwaukee red and black. Looking very gorgeous. Has it's the first time I've had a Rotary Hammer Drill. Has a standard chuck setting. Oh, it's down here. Take that off. That takes a 13mm shank. But I bought it for this little puppy, the SDS setting. That goes on like that. And it came with well, 3 SDS drill bits. Beautiful. That's a 10. Came with a 6 and an 8 there. Also came with a chisel, taking tiles off again. SDS slots for the Rotary Hammer. Came with a pick. SDS again. Beautiful. It's it's nice. Can't wait to use it. And it's 800 watts. Beautiful. That's the brand, Giant Tech. I bought some, well, sort of quality standard drill bits. And it'll be fun using this. I've only got 2 holes to drill. Oh, hang on. 890, 45 New Zealand dollars. Brand spanking new. Came in a case. Fantastic. Cool. Yeehaw.